Hey J Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product right here, if you guys can see. It's by the brand called Max Moxie. And pretty much what it is, if you guys can see right here, it is an all-natural cheese board set. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is already, but let's actually open it up and show you guys what comes inside the package and what it looks like. So right off the bat, when you open the package, it looks really nice already. Like the packaging is pretty damn amazing. You get a very nice little ribbon. You get this very nice little cheese board set right here. And then they give you a thank you card for purchasing the product, and they want your feedback like any other product nowadays because feedback is key. But if you guys can see right here, this is the actual product right here. So give you the cheese board, they give you two porcelain right here, which is really nice. But let's actually open up and show you guys what else comes inside the package. So these are two nice little porcelains that we have here, which is really nice. So if you guys want, you guys can actually put cheese on here. Here's the bamboo board right here. When you feel it, it feels really nice. When you smell it, right when you open the package, you guys can smell the bamboo is really fresh and brand new. Right here, we can see the logo, Max Moxie, MM. Let's open this little part here and see what comes inside right here. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Like, do you guys see what's in here? They give you some nice accessories right here to actually use to cut the cheese, to serve the cheese and whatnot. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of tools. And right here is like a chalk marker. You guys want to be careful with that. I actually just lifted up and I kind of broke it already, so just be careful with that. Right here we have some labels. If you guys want to use labels to actually label the cheese, it's actually quite heavy, but it's actually really nice, durable quality. So the chalk is actually for this, so you guys can write whatever cheese is and actually label it on the actual product. So it's pretty nice. And when you feel the material, the bamboo is actually really easy to clean. Like you guys can definitely feel that it's the type of material that's actually really easy to clean. And the fact that it's actually so compact and portable is pretty damn amazing. So you guys actually have to just slide this part in, and then it's actually pretty safe. So it won't actually fall unless you guys tilt it this way and it'll come off like that. But if you guys just keep it like this or like this, it won't actually fall off, if you guys can see. So to be honest, I never had like a cheese board, or I don't really actually use one, but having one of these is pretty amazing. If you guys want to go travel, or you guys going outdoors or going to another person's house, just bring this along, bring the cheese on side, and you guys can just start cutting, setting it up, and then it looks very nice. So now that we unbox the package and show you guys what comes inside the package, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it and who is it for. So this product itself actually goes to $45. And for that price range, would I say that it's actually worth it? I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I'm not a cheese person or anything, so I don't know too much about cheese, but just based off what I know from the product, what you're getting out of it is really nice. So you're actually paying for the quality of the product and what comes inside the package. But to answer the question of who is it for, I would say that this is very nice for like a housewarming gift, an anniversary gift, or maybe even a wedding gift. You guys are giving to like a family member or a friend who's actually having a wedding or whatever. Like, it's just an amazing gift to have, and it's kind of like extra and fancy. So it's just overall an amazing product and really nice gift to give away. So pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it, it really depends on you guys, as a consumer, of what you guys are using it for and how badly you need it, and what is the scenario that you guys are giving this away or buying it for. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have